What's the meaning of barely? Barely. Barely.
Barely. Barely. The word barely is an adverb that is used to indicate that something is just within the limits of possibility, or is only just happening. It implies that something is happening in a very small amount, quantity, or degree. For example, if you say, "I barely made it to the meeting on time," it means that you arrived at the meeting just a couple of minutes before it started. This word also suggests that someone or something is struggling or finding it difficult to accomplish a task. In summary, barely is a word used to express the tightness or difficulty of a situation, or the lack of abundance or excess in something.